and we ride in the rain to get home. And Chip is spooking at everything because he hasn't been ridden in 2 weeks. Oh yes, that's a drain. Oh my goodness, terrifying. Sorry this is so terribly bumpy, guys. But we've got a waterproof saddle, so we're good. Just oil the bridle, rope reins. Thunder. All right. Another drain. Trees. Well, this was certainly an adventure. Wah! Okay, oh, there's... Yeah, that was nice. Clearly I'm doing the safe thing and taking a video instead of riding my horse with 2 hands. I'm looking where I'm going. But this is what I like to do on the first day that I get out of the hospital, is ride my pony. That's what I'm doing. Weather be darned.